There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in Rhino Gray. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, headlamp washer, 20-inch black satin aluminum wheels, high-performance brakes, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio shifters, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TRAC system, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 Hemi, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5559.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.